This is how I turn an instant noodles into restaurant-style ramen noodles. I love this specific brand, especially the miso and tonkotsu flavor. In a boiling water, add instant noodles. While waiting for your noodles to be cooked, cut some spring onions, cut one marinated egg, or just plain boiled egg into half. Get 3 to 4 pieces of shiso, and then just reheat it on a pan on both sides to let it have some color. When your noodles are cooked, drain it and let the water keep boiling. Add the seasoning that comes from the package. Stir and boil it for 1 minute, then turn off the heat. To enhance the flavor, add a teaspoon of miso. Stir well. Transfer the cooked noodles in a bowl. Add the soup. Arrange your noodles. Add shiso or any toppings that you like. For me, I love sweet corn, so I add 2 teaspoons. Some broccoli. Spring onions and an egg cut in half. There you have it. A homemade restaurant-style instant ramen noodles. Hope you like it.